I remember the presence. I return to the presence. I am one with the presence of the power and the way of love. I restore in the presence. I adore in the presence. I am more in the presence of the living heart of God. I remember the presence. I return to the presence. I am one with the presence of the power and the way of love. I restore in the presence. I adore in the presence. I am more in the presence of the living heart of God.
We open our hearts for this time of meditation, breathing into that one power and that one presence, that indwelling light, the consciousness of love that moves and radiates from center to circumference of this body temple, of this being, of this cosmic universe, of this mind. There is one mind. It is divine mind. It is the mind of which we are all a part, emanating and radiating into expression. We take a deep community breath as we relax into this practice of slowing down, allowing ourselves to become so fully present right here and right now, that the mind lets go of the past and unleashes the future to become present to the freedom of the now. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness exists right here in this moment, right here in this body, right here in this incarnation, right here in these circumstances, no matter what. So we lengthen the inhale, drawing the crown of the head high, and fully exhale, allowing the shoulders to relax. Just feeling the support of the seat, feeling support. We remember the energy that is experienced in moments of collective meditation is an expanded energy. For where two or more are gathered, There is an elevation of consciousness. There is an elevation of love. So we bless the one in front of us. We bless the one behind us, to our left and to our right, through this space. In this moment, we breathe together in the silence. On the next inhale, we draw the energy from the root chakra up through the third eye, just inhaling up. And as we exhale, we feel our feet grounded on the earth. And we simply open this space and allow any thoughts to come to mind, anything that you might want to explore this morning, any questions, any topics. Simply just allow whatever is there, whatever you are present to. It may be that something comes up that you're not sure why it's up. Maybe it doesn't feel like yours. Maybe it's for someone else in this room. Maybe it's a question about prayer, unity. Maybe it's a struggle that you've been having. Just allow that to come up. And whether or not you write it down for us this morning is irrelevant. It is in this space. It is in this field that joins our minds together. So we bless all of the seeking, all of the receiving, all of the understanding, all of the wisdom that is existent within each one of us, that knows, that it knows, that it knows. And I invite you to bring your hands together as you choose and just place them on your heart. In gratitude for this practice we call unity. And I bring my hands together in prayer. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know the love that has no opposite. May all beings know that they're born blessed. May all beings know themselves as emanations of this love we call God. Namaste.